check out our newest feature release. We now have email notifications on form and survey submissions. Our CRM now allows you to effortlessly set up email notifications for form or survey submissions. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. Now, with this update, you're going to receive real-time email alerts when somebody submits a form or a survey. You now are going to be able to easily enable form or survey notifications in the form and survey settings with a straightforward, easy option to customize the subject line. This is going to help you by keeping your team informed and responsive by automating email notifications. So let me show you exactly where this new option is. I want you to access either forms or surveys. And to do that, you're first going to go to Sites on the left-hand navigation, and then in the upper navigation, you're going to choose either forms or surveys. For this sample, I'm going to go ahead and choose a form, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click the plus add form button, but you can easily select any form that you have. Well, to make it easy, I went ahead and I've created a form here. Now what you're going to see a little bit different is there's now this little bell in the upper left-hand area of your workspace. And when you hover over it, it's going to say Show Notification Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see a new toggle, and this one is for email notifications. So you're simply going to toggle that on, and then you're going to go ahead and customize those email notification settings so that it is perfect for you and your business. As always, after you're done, make sure to hit save. And now you're going to receive email notifications for both you and your team based on what you selected. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.